What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one that is very, very special to me. I have been on a 30-day journey doing the keto diet. So I'm guessing that if you're watching this video, you are either interested in the keto diet or you are starting your own journey with the keto diet, which I strongly recommend. I have loved the keto diet so much, so I'm so excited to show you guys all of this footage that I filmed over the past 30 days. So basically, this is vlog style footage that I compiled all together within 30 days of me being on the keto diet. So you guys are pretty much getting like a video diary of how I felt on keto each week, because I did update you guys at least once a week. So at the end, you will see my final results, how I felt about the diet, any tips or tricks where I want to let you guys know what I've changed or what I'm going to do in the future. So if you are excited to see this video, then just keep watching and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. All right, guys, so first I wanted to show you guys how I meal prepped for this all going on, because Lord knows that I need to meal prep if I'm going to eat healthy. So I meal prepped a few different things: Brussels sprouts, some mushrooms. I did some ground turkey. I don't eat beef or pork, so I did do ground turkey. I definitely had some chicken. I had these egg cups that I made that were great for breakfast. They were awesome, amazing. I didn't weigh my food all the time. I just weighed it this first day, but I do think that you should weigh it. And this is just a total shot of everything that I had for that first week. Yes, this is all food for just 1 week. And yes, it was pricey, but I totally think it's worth it for your health. Today is day 2 of being on the keto diet, and I've been feeling great. I don't feel bad. I don't feel like I have the keto flu yet. I think that it's been perfectly fine. I hope I'm not speaking too soon. But something really cool happened. I woke up this morning and I actually lost 3 pounds. But I think it's all water weight. I did read that in the beginning, everything you're gonna lose is pretty much water weight. So I have been trying to keep my electrolytes up. I haven't had any of the bone broth yet. I've just been drinking a ton of water, and yeah, and just keeping up my sodium with what I'm eating. I basically last night ate a little bit of a dessert, but it was a keto friendly dessert. So I had just 2 strawberries that I cut up, and I put a tablespoon of Cool Whip, which I heard is perfectly fine to do. So I had that, and then for breakfast I had 2 egg cups, and I had a turkey bacon. For lunch I had salmon with garlic butter. Remember, this is a low carb, high fat diet, so I can have things that are high in fat. And with that salmon, I had Brussels sprouts, and they were amazing. They were so good and so crispy. They were amazing. And then for dinner I had a taco salad, not a tuna salad, a taco salad, and it was actually really good too, obviously without the shell, which is fine. But yeah, I feel perfectly fine. I feel still all there. I don't feel exhausted or anything like that. But yeah, so that is my second day update. I'm not going to update you guys every single day, but I'm going to try to do my best to update you guys a few times if anything drastic happens. But yeah, right now we are going to hot yoga. I'm going to hot yoga with my boyfriend and his brother. So hopefully I make it through this whole thing. We'll see. Hey guys, so since that last clip that I showed you of what I normally eat for lunch, it's only been a day, but I did forget to tell you guys that last week in total, so my first week on keto, I lost approximately 6 to 7 pounds. This Monday, I actually went with my boyfriend to Buffalo Wild Wings because I saw that you can eat Buffalo Wild Wings while you're on keto. And I thought everything was perfectly fine. I got what they said I could get. No French fries, which killed me, but no French fries. And I had it with a little bit of ranch. I woke up the next morning, aka yesterday, Tuesday, and I gained a pound. And that's really discouraging, but I know that I just can't be eating stuff like that. Just because keto is low carb, high fat doesn't mean that it doesn't take into account calories. And I think that yesterday or the day before yesterday, I just ate way too many calories and I wasn't really thinking about it. So I gained a pound. It's discouraging, yeah, but I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to try intermittent fasting. I think that's how you say it. I'm going to try intermittent fasting for 2 days to see how I like it. I normally fast, from nighttime to breakfast. Sometimes I eat breakfast really, really late. So I'll fast for like 11, 12 hours. But I do want to try fasting for around 14 hours. And maybe I can work my way up there. I have heard great things about it. So I do think that I want to try that out and see. Hopefully it works that way. Hopefully I could get some more weight lost. I know that those 7 pounds in the beginning were water weight, but you get so excited losing all of that weight that you're like, oh my God, keep going, keep going, keep going. And then all of a sudden it just kind of like stops and then you gain a pound and it sucks. It really sucks. So I'm going to keep working and I will update you guys next week on my 3rd week. So I'll see you guys on the 3rd week. What's up, guys? So, sorry, the sun is kind of in my eyes. I'm trying to go work out today, I've been trying to go work out today. I feel like it's day 5,000 on the keto diet. It's really not. I don't even know what week it is right now. I'll let you know somewhere around here. But I've honestly been really lazy to work out lately. So I'm actually just gonna take my dogs for a little walk and bring you guys along with me. But I definitely just don't have the willpower right now to go work out. I'm not sure if it's that I'm missing electrolytes or something like that, but I just feel like I want to work out, but I don't have the strength to. So I'm not sure what that is all about. I'll try to research it a little bit more and see, but I'm just gonna go walk my dogs as exercise. I'm gonna try to at least do that once a day, every day. I don't normally walk them. They have a backyard to go to, so they're gonna get a lot of walks this month. So this is week 4 on keto. So I'm just coming up on here. I'm sorry if I haven't vlogged too much around keto, but I've been super, super busy working on the stuff that I have going on for myself aside from keto. But I did want to get on here and tell you guys that in week 3, I didn't lose any weight at all. I think it was because of the fat bombs I was eating. I'm not sure why. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I don't want to sit here and tell you I know why I wasn't, but I wasn't. I plateaued. After the second week, after the first week, I lost a lot of weight, and then it kind of just was flatlined for a while, and I wasn't losing too much, but now I have lost 2 more pounds, so I'm really excited about that. Week 4, I am on the 5th day of week 4, and I actually was feeling like I was starting to slow down again, but I decided to rev everything up by buying it's a product by Perfect Keto. I think they're called exogenous ketones, something like that, that's supposedly supposed to help you up your ketone levels. So I bought that. Hopefully it'll come soon. I will let you guys know how I feel about that once I get it. I got the chocolate sea salt flavor, so hopefully I can put that in my coffee and stuff like that. Speaking of coffee, I tried bulletproof coffee one time. Ew. That is so disgusting. Putting butter in your coffee is just not right. It's not right. I'm gonna try to see how I could consume that, because I know it is good for me, and I know that it adds an amount of fat that I need in my diet. This week, I did start adding my macros or counting my macros with MyFitnessPal. So I did it for 4 days. I haven't done it today. I do need to do it, but I have actually really liked tracking it. I was doing like super lazy keto before. Maybe that's why I wasn't losing any weight. But once I started to track it all and really see the percentages of carbs I was eating and the percentages of fats that I was eating after inserting all of that into MyFitnessPal, I feel like I'm more understanding of what I'm putting in my body and what they do to me, because certain things you're like, oh, this can't have any carbs, but it really does have carbs. I will let you guys know how everything is amounting up on my last day of keto. My last day of keto is July 8th because I started June 8th or June 4th. I gotta check on that, but I'll let you know. But yeah, so I've been really liking keto. I feel like it's gonna be an easy thing to keep up with. I am gonna do 80-20. So basically I'm going to do keto 80% of the year and not keto 20% of the year. I don't want to restrict myself to the things I love. I love having ice cream with my family. I love having pasta with my parents. So I can't restrict myself for the rest of my life. So I am just going to do it 80-20, but I have been seeing great results so far. I'll let you guys know on the absolute last day. I will come back on here and let you guys know the whole shebang about how much weight I lost, and maybe I'll put before and after pictures. I don't know. That it's kind of scary to put your body on the internet. So I will let you guys know. So I will see you guys next week. I honestly have yet to find a way to make bulletproof coffee a delicious way. This is like the best I've come up with. I know you're supposed to use like MTC oil or whatever, but I'm just using coconut oil, and I think it tastes okay, but it's still not the best, okay? I'm not saying it's good by any means. All right, I'm gonna go now because my dogs are barking. All right, guys, so I forgot to film my last week of keto, I think, but not much really changed. I tried that perfect keto powder. I really liked it. I thought it tasted so good. By the way, ignore what I have going on right now. I just finished filming a Instagram tutorial, so I look a little crazy right now. But I liked that powder a lot. I think it's worth it. I think it tastes really good. It tasted like hot chocolate, so that was a pretty bomb. Aside from that, I lost one more pound. I lost 1 more pound that week. But yeah, so that was my last week of keto. So in total, what did I lose? I lost 11 pounds in 1 month. So 11 pounds in 1 month to me is a lot. Did I expect a little bit more? Yeah, maybe. Maybe I expected like a tiny bit more. But honestly, I didn't work out this month at all. Like, I worked out that one time you saw me going to hot yoga, and that was the extent of it. That was pretty much all I did working out wise. So I couldn't really expect much. I was also really doing like lazy keto. So I wasn't really counting my macros. I counted my macros like 1 week, I think, in total, which I do think is positively worth it. You definitely should count your macros if you're going to do keto, because the lazy keto thing, it takes a while. It takes a while for you to lose all that weight. But if you want to do keto perfectly on the T, dotting your I's and crossing your T's or whatever it is, I suggest that you get MyFitnessPal or one of those keto apps that count your macros, because I think that was what really helped me lose those last 2 or 3 pounds. So I thought it was great. I love the diet. Right now I am on my week that I'm giving myself as a break, because I feel like I think you need some kind of break to be able to keep this going. I think keto is pretty easy to do, but I will say, yeah, I miss sweets. Yeah, I still miss having fruit. Like, I love fruit and I miss having fruit. I miss having, you know, pizza when my friends are having pizza. So I do think that I am going to do the 80-20 keto thing. I'm going to see if it works out this month. So that being said, I am going to continue doing keto. I'm doing it 80-20. So right after this first week is done, I'm not going ham with the carbs. I mean, I did go ham with the carbs these last 2 days, but for the rest of the week, I'm just going to be eating clean. And then come next Monday, which is 3 days from now, or from when you are watching, 2 days from now, counting, it's hard. Yeah, so I'll be starting keto again. It'll be my second month. I will let you know if I gained any weight from this week of being off keto, but I really did enjoy keto, and I feel like if you want a change, if you want to see a change in your body and you haven't seen that change yet, I suggest you try keto, obviously with, you know, the guidance of a nutritionist or maybe a doctor or something like that. And I really hope that you guys give it a try if you're interested. Next month, by the way, I'm also going to be doing intermittent fasting along with keto. So I'll be able to compare the 2 months. I can't speak. But yeah, I'm super excited to start next month. I love keto so far. I'm loving what it's doing to my body. I'm not sure if I shared the pictures because I don't know if I have the strength in me, but one day I will share the pictures if I didn't share them here. I need a little bit more self-confidence to be able to put my body out on the internet, I'm guessing. So we'll see what I choose, you know? Yeah. But yeah, guys, if you like this video and you want to keep seeing keto videos, I could keep putting out some more keto videos. I could do like keto shopping hauls. I could do my keto updates. I could try to do an update maybe twice a month rather than once a month. So you guys let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for following me this month along this journey. Bye.